Hey, welcome back to Mandy's Planet. I hope that you brought your sweet tooth today because I am making banana cake. So let's go over the ingredients that I have here. Zoom out some. And let's see, we have some yellow cake mix. And you don't have to do that. You can always just get flour and add like salt and sugar and all that. Bananas, chopped walnuts, Irish butter by Kerrygold, some pure vanilla extract, eggs, and cream cheese icing. So let's get started. So first thing I'm going to do is dump in my dry ingredients, and I'm starting with my yellow cake mix, and I have 2 boxes of the Duncan Hines yellow cake mix. It's the classic cake mix. And like I was saying in the intro, you can always just do flour, sugar, salt, brown sugar, those ingredients, but the yellow cake mix already has everything in it that I need, so I just went with that. So now we have both cake mixes mixed in. We're going to add in the chopped walnuts, the whole bag. Okay, we're going to start on the wet ingredients, and I already put in 2 cups of water. And then up next, I'm going to melt some butter, and I use the 1 cup serving thing, but it's like half of a cup basically that I'm using of butter. And then we have our eggs. So for the eggs, we're going to do 6 eggs. Oh, dropped the shell. And these are large brown eggs. So has anybody had banana cake before? I was originally wanting to make banana pudding, and I thought to myself, I've really been wanting to try banana cake, and I've never done it before, so here I am. Okay, so now we're going to do 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and then 1/2 of a teaspoon. Okay, so let's mix everything up. And you want to mix well. And this is going to make a really big cake. And it's almost like a banana cake, but banana cake bread. You know what I mean? You'll see at the end when it's all done. But it's so good. Okay, mix up everything really well. And next up, I'm going to do the bananas, but I wanted the cake mix to be mixed up very well before I added the bananas in to make it easier. Okay, so here we have our bananas. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more videos from me on Mandy's Planet. So here I'm going to do 5 bananas. Let me get a better angle for you. Okay, here's our 5th banana, and what I'm going to do is mush up the bananas with my fork, and you're going to want to get it almost to like a creamy oatmeal consistency, because you want to still see some of the lumps, but you want it to be really smooth, if that makes sense. I'm sure you could put these in a blender and everything else, but you know, who wants to wash all the extra dishes? So I'm just going to smash it up with a fork. Okay, I'm going to continue smashing these down. And then I will be back with the bananas at the consistency that I want them to be to go into the cake mix. So here we have what your bananas should look like to go into your cake mix. Okay, we're just going to start dumping these in and then mixing it up. Okay, let's go ahead and mix our bananas in. Here's a close-up for you. It looks so good. So as you can see, like the yellow cake mix and everything is mixed together now, and it does still have that really like yellow color from the yellow cake mix, but once it bakes, it has and it's finished and everything, it has much more of that like brown tannish look like a banana bread would. And I'm going to be using one of my big tin pans that like I always use for everything else that I cook. And I've already greased the pan with butter, with that Irish butter that I had melted also into the cake. So I'm just going to go ahead and dump the cake mix into the pan. This is a really big bowl, so it gets kind of messy. Sorry about that. Okay, and then I'm going to get a spoon and get the rest of it out that way. Okay, it's pretty good. And then I'm going to go ahead and smooth it out. Looks really good. I have my oven preheated at 350 degrees. I'm going to stick this in the oven. Here we go. And that's going to bake for about an hour. Okay, so here is the cake all finished and pulled out of the oven. It's nice. I had to cool it down for a while. Put on some cream cheese icing and sliced up a banana on top to make it look all cute and everything. And I'm going to post some pictures of a slice that I get. Look how yummy this is. And you don't have to use a cream cheese icing, but it's really good. Okay, you ready to see that slice of cake? All right. Here we go. This looks so good. And it was so good. Thanks for watching Mandy's Planet.